Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my back door. My back door, I have the screen door right here, the stopper right here on the top, and there's a stopper on the bottom. And the top one's still working, but somehow the bottom one this part is broken right here. This is called this cylinder right here, door stopper. It's called touch and hold smooth. So basically this is a part that's broken right here. When you press this, it's supposed to hold the screen door from closing, and then when you touch it again, it will close slowly. So but this part right here is broken. As you can see right here is broken. So today I'm going to show you how to replace this part right here. So you can see the problem here. That little knob right there is broken. I cannot stop the door from I cannot stop the screen door from closing. Okay, I ordered one from Amazon right there. This is about I believe it's like $24, and this is made in Taiwan. It's called Touch and Hold Smooth screen door stopper. Let's open this up. So you can order this from Amazon. So they give you all the right here, the bracket and everything to install this. So this part, this is the only part that's broken. Everything, I don't need to install this. So to replace this, take out this. There's two pins right here: the short pin and the long pin. Nothing hold on to it. Just use your finger, pop it out. That's it. And then just put the new one in. It's the same brand, the same color, it's the same right here. It's a little different right here on the top. This right here, well, it's the same thing. This screw right here is for, so this screw right here on the end right here, this for adjusting the speed. If you want to counterclockwise, if you want the door to close a little faster, the screen door to close a little faster, and clockwise if you want to close a little slower. So just install this, and I did put the pin in, and then all right, that's it. So two pins, that's it. And let's see. This is what it's supposed to do. So this is how the stopper is supposed to work right here. You push this right here. That's supposed to hold. Okay, when you're ready to close it, just push it and it's supposed to close. Oh, that's too fast. So what we need to do is to that's close really fast. So we need to the little screw right here, screw it clockwise. This is supposed to slow it down. So keep adjusting the screw right here.
There you go.
Okay, one more time. So keep adjusting the screw, like see how fast or how slow you want the door to stop. Yep, it's working. All right. So this is how you replace a screen door stopper. It's easy to replace. Only two pins right here, because you don't need to replace the bracket right here. There's two brackets right. You don't need to replace. So this is it. It's easy to do. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.